Good evening, my dear friends. Good evening, respected sir. Today I will let you know about my daily routine. I get up early at 6 a.m. and usually I freshen up after getting up from the bed. I take a cup of green tea in the morning and then I start my day with that cup of tea. I go to my computer class early in the morning at 8 a.m. Later on, I directly go to my gym from my computer class. There it takes me around 2 hours. I reach home at around 11:15. I take bath after coming from gym. It is very necessary. And then I prepare my food for whole day. I don't like cooking food again and again and spending much time on it. So I prepare my lunch, my evening snacks and my dinner at the same time. This way I save my time and I get more time to study and to involve my time, valuable time in other things. I take my lunch at around 1:30 and I sit for study. There is no limit in my study time. I continue it up till when I feel good, and it takes around almost 2 to 3 hours, sometimes 4 hours when I keep on studying. I study and at around 4 at 5 evening I again take a detox water. I don't take much of tea because I know it's not good for my health, so I avoid tea generally. I take detox water. I do my any household work if pending, then I do, and I come to NTC class here at around 6. So I have to be a little earlier to get out of home so that I can reach here on time. So from 6 to in between 6 to 8 my classes go here, and I continue my classes up till 8 and I leave for my home. I reach by 8:15. And again I freshen up and I take my dinner. At the same time I usually take at 8 or 8:30, and then I sit for study. Sometimes I practice computer, whatever I have learned in the morning classes, so I revise the same day because it is easy to learn and easy to forget, so I always practice at the same day. And again I continue my law studies, and it goes up till 10:30, 11, sometimes 11:30, and sometimes I feel asleep there and I wake up and I go to bed. So it's around 11:30, something like that, I go to my bed. That's all about my daily routine. Thank you so much for listening me so patiently. Thank you so much.
NTC इंग्लिश बुक आप भारत के किसी भी कोने से फ्लिपकार्ट के माध्यम से NTC की बुक ऑनलाइन मंगवा सकते हैं।